Hello children, how are you? Today I am going to discuss about fractions and how to do problems in fractions. First of all, we have to understand what is the fraction and what is proper fraction in the and what is improper fraction. Without this you can't do any problem, children. Okay? First I have to tell what is fraction. Fraction is nothing but a a whole part is divided into half part. Okay children, that is nothing but if you have 3 items in your basket and you have used 2, then how we will write this 2 by 3? It is nothing but 2 by 3. That is 2 is used. That is 2 is a half part and total amount of part is whole part, that is 3. You have 3 items and you have used 2, means you have 2 by 3, means 2 by 3 is written in the form of a fraction, that is half part and a whole part. Okay, total number of items we have is in denominator. Okay children, and numerator, that is fraction is nothing but in another form we can say that fraction is nothing but numerator, a number which is in the form of p by q form, where q not equal to 0. Whenever we have a fraction we don't have q 0. Okay, if p is 0 it's okay, but q will not be 0 anyways. Okay, we have a fraction in the form of p by q, that is nothing but numerator and denominator. P is numerator and q is denominator form. This is a fraction children. Okay, p by q form is called fraction. I told with this example, but nothing, this is nothing but somewhat example which you can understand easily. But you have to say what is fraction means. It's simply in words in p by q form, that is fraction. A number which is in the form of a number which is in the form of p by q, form of p by q, and where q always not equal to 0 and p comma q are always positive, they are non-negative. Non-negative means not negative children. We have always positive values, then we get easily positive values children. Okay, now see here. Now see here children, we can easily understand now what is fraction. You understood children? Okay, let's do another. What is types of fractions? We have 3 types of, mainly types of fractions are there. They are, what are they? Proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Mainly these fractions we have to see in future examples. Okay children, what is proper, improper and mixed fraction? If you know this perfectly, you can do easily problems. Based on this you have many problems. Okay children, so you have to be perfect in what is proper. You have to understand what is proper and what is improper, what is mixed fraction. Let us know what is proper fraction children. A fraction in which a fraction is proper fraction. A fraction is nothing but whose denominator is, I will tell here children, A fraction, proper fraction, children. In last video you have seen chapter 1 video, that is into part 2's part 1 and part 2 I have uploaded. Please go the children go through that videos. You can understand chapter 1 integers, and today I am going to discuss this fraction chapter 2. And in first two videos I have explained integers very well. I think children are understanding my videos. If any doubts, please share your comments. Okay, children, like and share my channel. If you want more videos, I will upload. Please subscribe my channel, like, share your friends about my channel, children. Thank you, children. Proper fraction means a fraction whose denominator means q, children. Denominator means down part, q. Denominator means down part, numerator means upward. So a fraction whose denominator is always greater than numerator, children, then it is a proper fraction. For example, I will show here by giving example 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 4 by 5, so on. Here see, 1 is less than 2, 2 is greater. Here 2 is greater, 2 is small and 3 is greater, 4 is small, 5 is greater. So these are all proper. What is improper fraction? Improper fraction, a fraction is nothing but a fraction whose denominator is smaller than numerator, children. Okay, that is nothing but numerator, denominator is smaller here, numerator is greater, children. Example, denominator is smaller here denominator is greater, children. That is nothing but example 3 by 2 and 5 by 4, 7 by 5. See here, denominator is small. Here see, 4 is smaller than 5, 5 is smaller than 7. Here 2 is small, big, 3 is big, 5 is big, denominator is big, then proper fraction. Improper, it means smaller, denominator is smaller value. Okay, children, what is now mixed fraction? Easy, children, you have to understood easily. You have to understand this proper and improper mixed fraction. By using examples, you have to compare these fractions, then you can understand easily, children, what is the difference in each fraction. Mixed means a fraction is nothing but it contains whole part and a fractional part. Contains a whole part and a fractional part, children. Means it contains mixing of two parts. That is example 2. Fractional part means 1 by 2. Fractional part is always be in proper fraction. Means it must be in proper fraction, children. It can't be in improper. Means it denominator is greater. So in mixed fraction, a whole part and a fractional part, and fractional part must be proper fraction. Means whole part and a proper fraction, mixing of whole and proper fraction. So the combination of mixing of are it contains whole part and a proper fraction becomes a mixed fraction. Example, another example, see here, children, 2 is the whole part and fractional part is nothing but a proper fraction, it must be that is greater number is in denominator and numerator must be small. So 3 by 4 is in proper fraction. If we write this 4 by 3, it is not a mixed fraction, children. Means 2 is a whole part, but 4 by 3 is not a proper fraction. It's not a proper. It is improper because 3 is smaller in denominator then 4 is in numerator. So it is not a mixed fraction. It is mixed fraction because 3 by 4 is a proper fraction and whole number is there. So the combination of whole part and a proper fractional part, we get a mixed fraction, children. It must be a proper fraction. Okay, this is a mixed fraction, children. What is like fraction? And another simple three types of fractions, children. Like fractions. What is like fraction, children? It is a nothing but fraction having same denominators. Okay, children. A fraction whose denominators are same. Examples: 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3. We can't see anything that is numerator is greater or smaller. We see only the denominator is same numbers or not. So what is this fraction, children? This is proper, improper? No. What is this? Same denominator. So these three fractions are like fractions. What is unlike fraction, children? It is unlike fraction. Imagine same opposite of these different denominators. Different denominators means unlike fractions. Okay, different denominators we have. If you have given example 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 4 by 6, like this, don't see the numerator or denominator, see only denominator part. This one, this one, this one. In this one 3, 3, 3, 3. So this is which fraction? If you ask anybody which fraction, your teacher will ask which fraction is this, say you, then you will say okay, denominators are same, this is like fraction, ma'am. No, you have to say here what is this fraction, which form of this, means you have to say this. Comparing this, everyone is different, denominators are different, so this is unlike fraction. I have to say simply. Okay, children, nothing is different, you have to understand first. Another nothing but last one, equivalent fraction, children. For this today I am ending this video. All different fractions, types of fractions are there in this video, children. Please understand this video, children. Next part I will go to problems, comparing problems. Okay, children. First, what is equivalent fraction? This is very important, children. The fraction obtained by multiplying numerator and denominator with same number, children. Why, how, and I will show in the example. See here, fraction obtained by multiplying numerator and denominator by same number, that is, if you have given question like this, 3 by 5 and 6 by 10, this is equivalent fraction or not? Show. Means you have to do is simply one step answer, that is, you have to make these two fractions equal, children. How? You have to multiply these, children, by 2, numerator and denominator by same number. Multiplying numerator and denominator by same number, we get 6 by 10. So we can make 3 by 5, 6 by 10. Okay, 3 into 2 by 5 into 2, we can get 6 by 10. So this one also 6 by 10. So these fractions, two fractions are equal now. Now 3 by 5, 6 by 10 are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fraction, children. Okay. Now another example you can show how. See here, 2 by 4 and 4 by 8. No, it is equivalent fraction or what? Show how you can do this. See here, by multiplying 2 you can get 4 by 2. 2 into 2, 4 into 2. By multiplying numerator and denominator we get 4 and here 8. So this one and this one are equal. So given 2 by 4 and 4 by 8 are equivalent fraction. That's all for today, children. Fractions के ऊपर different fractions I have told today. Please go through these types of fractions and examples. You can understand easily, children. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, children. Allah Hafiz.